Have you ever blanked to Paris? Have you ever been to Paris or have you ever gone to Paris? Listen guys, we often use been to when we refer to completed visits to a place. And if the visit is not complete, we use gone. In this, you're talking about the past experience. When you ask someone about their past experience, use been. Have you ever been to Paris? Where has Eric blank? He was here a minute ago. Been or gone. He was here a minute ago tells us that he did not return. So we use gone here. Where has Eric gone? He was here a minute ago. You are late. Where have you blank? Where have you been or where have you gone? Here you are late tells us that you returned. So use been. You are late. Where have you been? Are you okay? Your skin has blank all red. Been or gone? You do this one. Let me know the answer in the comments. Thank you for watching. Lion blank by the hunter. Kill, was killed. This is a passive sentence, so focus with me guys. Who killed the lion? The hunter, right? So the original sentence should be the hunter killed the lion. This is the subject, the verb, and this is the object. Here we start with the lion, that's the object. So always remember, you start a sentence with an object, it's passive. Passive is be plus past participle. Be is am, is, are, was, were. Here we have was and was. We need a past participle. Kill is wrong, it's the base verb. Killed is the past participle. So the answer is was killed. The lion was killed by the hunter. Did you see blank stars in the sky? Those or these? Use those when we look at something far, and we use these when we look at something near. You have stars in the sky, so you're looking far away. You choose those. Did you see those stars in the sky? Blank by his grandmother. The sentence starts with object because the original sentence is his grandmother looked after him. That's the subject, verb, and object. Him is the object, so here we have he, it's passive. So what's the answer guys? Can I ask you where is the bank or where the bank is? Is the bank or the bank is? Well, we normally say where is the bank? That is a normal question, right? But when we add something before the question like can I ask you, or I would like to know, or do you know, or would you tell me, we change it into an indirect question. We say, can I ask you where the bank is? That's the indirect question. Would you tell me what time is it or what time it is? Well, this is the normal question. What time is it? But because we start with would you tell me, so we choose what time it is. Would you tell me what time it is? You answer this one. Do you know what is this or what this is? Now go to the comments and write your answer A or B. Get or got, take or took. What's the difference? Get or got is a passive situation. In this, someone gives it to you. So it includes two people. In take or took, it is an active situation and you do something. You do something by yourself. So it includes only one person. Another meaning is moving something from one place to another or removing something, maybe with or without permission. The main point is you are doing the action by yourself. I blank a raise, which means there's increase in your pay. And who increases your pay? Your boss. So your boss gave you a raise. So I got a raise. I blank a cold. The cold viruses are transmitted from one person to another. So you got it from someone. I got a cold. I blank a car. Now you bought or stole, you did it by yourself. So I took a car. I blank my pills. Now you're doing the action by yourself. You're taking your pills. I took my pills. I blank a coffee. Now the barista prepares it and gives it to you. So I got a coffee. Blank this flyer from the shop. Now you do this one. Rise or raise, what's the difference? Both means to move upwards. If something rises, it goes up by itself. And here you only have subject and the verb in the sentence. And if you raise something, you lift it up. And here your sentence will have subject plus verb plus object. I blank my hand. I is the subject, my hand is the object, and you'll have the verb in between. So when I want to say something, I raise my hand. The balloon will blank. The balloon is the subject, will blank is the verb, and you don't have the object. So when I let go, the balloon will rise. The sun blank. The sun is the subject and you only have the verb, there's no object. So the sun rises. My grandmother blank me. My grandmother is the subject, me is the object, and you'll have the verb in between. So my grandmother raised me. You must blank. You is the subject, must blank is the verb, and there's no object. So you're gonna use rise. You must rise. Heat blank. Heat is the subject and there's no object, so you'll use rise. Heat rises. Alright, you do this one. When I'm surprised, I blank my eyebrows.